Imagine cruising through an open desert highway with mountains rising in the distance and endless sky above you. Now imagine doing that not in a car, not in a van, but on a powerful touring motorcycle, with your own mini camper attached seamlessly behind you. That's exactly what we're looking at today. This is not a traditional RV. It's not a standard motorcycle either. It's a bold fusion of performance touring bike and compact camper cabin, designed for serious solo adventurers. Let's start with the front end. The motorcycle section looks powerful and aerodynamic. The sharp headlights, wide front fairing, and aggressive stance give it the feel of a high-performance touring bike. It looks stable, planted, and built for long-distance travel. Now let's move to the camper section. The soft yellow exterior gives it a warm and classic road trip vibe. It's cheerful, but not flashy. The rounded edges and smooth side panels maintain aerodynamic flow, which is crucial for something powered like a motorcycle. On the side, we see a compact entry door and a small window. This tells us the cabin is designed for minimal yet functional living space. It's not oversized, but it's enough for sleeping, relaxing, and escaping harsh weather conditions. Now, let's talk practicality. One of the biggest advantages of this motorcycle camper concept is efficiency. Compared to large RVs, this setup would likely consume far less fuel. It offers the freedom of motorcycle travel without sacrificing the ability to sleep comfortably inside a protected cabin. However, we also need to address the limitations. Space inside would be extremely compact, most likely enough for a small bed, maybe minimal storage, and possibly a compact ventilation system. A full kitchen or bathroom would be unlikely unless extremely cleverly engineered. Weight distribution would also be critical. The design must ensure the motorcycle remains stable at highway speeds and during turns. But judging by the wide rear structure and low center of gravity, this model appears thoughtfully balanced. Another interesting detail is the integrated exhaust and mechanical components. Everything looks neatly housed within the lower frame. It doesn't appear cluttered or improvised. The structure looks purpose-built, not modified casually. It's about mobility, minimalism, and the thrill of the open road. Let's imagine the experience. You ride all day through mountain roads or desert highways. As the sun sets, instead of searching for accommodation, you simply park somewhere scenic, step into your compact cabin, and relax. No tent setup. No heavy parking maneuvers like large motorhomes. If you enjoyed this review of unique travel machines and innovative camper concepts, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Because sometimes, the most unforgettable journeys start on two wheels, with your home riding right behind you.